Success is something we all strive for, yet many of us don't realize that the key to achieving it lies within our own thoughts. You see, what we think and speak about ourselves shapes our reality. If you believe you're worthy, capable, and deserving of success, then success will naturally flow into your life. It's not about luck or circumstance, it's about mindset. And positive affirmations are one of the most powerful tools you can use to shift your mindset and align yourself with the energy of success. Let me tell you something that may surprise you. Transforming your life with positive affirmations doesn't need to take years. You can start to see changes in as little as 3 days. Yes, 3 days. It all begins with the decision to break free from negative thoughts and self-doubt. In these next 3 days, you're going to focus on replacing those limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations that will rewire patience. When you do this consistently and with intention, you'll be amazed at how quickly your world begins to shift. So how do we do this? First, it's important to get clear on what success means to you. Success doesn't look the same for everyone. For some, it's about financial abundance. For others, it's about personal growth, building relationships, or simply finding peace within. Whatever success looks like to you, allow yourself to define it clearly. Once you have that vision, you can start using affirmations that align with your personal goals. The beauty of affirmations is in their simplicity. You don't need anything fancy. You just need words that affirm the truth of who you are and what you are capable of. For example, if you want to experience more abundance, you might say, I am open to receiving all. Or if you want to build more confidence, you could say, I trust in my abilities and move forward with courage. These words are powerful because they communicate directly to your subconscious mind, helping you to start believing in yourself on a deeper level. For the next 3 days, I encourage you to dedicate a few moments each morning to repeating your affirmations. Morning is the perfect time because your mind is fresh and open to receiving new ideas. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Take a deep breath and say your affirmations out loud. Say them with conviction as if they are already true. Feel the energy behind the words and allow that energy to fill your being. You might be wondering why affirmations need to be said aloud. Well, when you speak to them, you engage more of your senses. You hear the words, you feel the vibration in your body, and this makes the affirmation more real to your subconscious. Your mind doesn't know the difference between what is imagined and what is real. So when you affirm your success, your mind begins to accept it as truth, and your behavior starts to align with that truth. But there's something else that's equally important. As you go about your day, be mindful of the thoughts you allow to enter your mind. If you catch yourself thinking negatively or doubting your success, gently remind yourself of your affirmations. Say them again if you need to. This is how you create consistency and reinforce those positive beliefs. Every time you choose to shift from a negative thought to a positive one, you are taking a step closer to your success. One of the challenges people face when using affirmations is that they don't always believe the words they're saying. This is perfectly normal. When you've spent years thinking a certain way, it can feel uncomfortable to suddenly start thinking differently. But don't let that discomfort stop you. The more you say your affirmations, the more your subconscious will accept them, and over time you'll begin to believe them wholeheartedly. Now, let's talk about something important: self-love. Success cannot thrive without self-love. You must believe that you are deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Without this foundation of self-worth, no amount of affirmations will work. So as you affirm your success, also affirm your love for yourself. Say things like, I am worthy of success, or I love and accept myself exactly as I am. These statements are essential because they nurture the part of you that needs healing. In these 3 days, I also want you to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a magnet for more good things. When you are grateful for what you already have, you open the door for even more abundance. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for, no matter how small. Say, I am thankful for the opportunities in my life, or I am grateful for the lessons that have helped me grow. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, and it accelerates your path to success. Note, you are creating a new reality with every thought, every word, and every action. Be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with each passing day, you will feel a shift. You'll notice that your confidence grows, your mindset becomes more positive, and opportunities seem to come out of nowhere. This is the power of affirmations in action. It's also helpful to visualize your success. As you say your affirmations, take a few moments to imagine yourself already living the life you desire. See it, feel it, and think of the emotions that come with it. Visualization helps to anchor your affirmations and makes them even more effective. It's like planting a seed in the soil of your mind. With each repetition of your affirmation, you water that seed, and soon it begins to grow. On this journey, don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Success is a series of small steps, and each step is worth celebrating. Whether it's a shift in your mindset, a new opportunity, or simply feeling more positive, acknowledge your progress. When you celebrate your wins, you send a signal to the universe that you are ready for more. And finally, trust the process. Sometimes it may seem like nothing is happening, but trust that the work you are doing is creating changes beneath the surface. Stay committed to your affirmations, stay positive, and know that your success is on its way. You are powerful beyond measure, and the universe is always supporting you in ways you can't even see. In 3 days, you will notice a difference. You will feel more empowered, more confident, and more aligned with your vision of success. Keep going and know that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Affirm your success, affirm your worth, and watch as your life begins to transform in beautiful and unexpected ways. As you continue on your path to success, one of the most important things to focus on is persistence. Affirmations are powerful, but their true magic lies in consistency. It's easy to start strong, but the real transformation happens when you keep going, even when it feels like progress is slow. In this next phase, it's crucial to develop a habit of persistence. Success is not a destination you reach overnight. It's a continuous process, a commitment to growth, and that means showing up for yourself every day. Start by finding ways to keep yourself motivated. You might create a daily routine that includes saying your affirmations, visualizing your goals, and practicing gratitude. This routine doesn't have to be long or complicated, but it should be something you look forward to. Think of it as a gift you give yourself each day, a few moments of peace and focus that set the tone for your success. As you build this routine, you'll notice that it becomes second nature, and the positive changes in your life will follow naturally. As you move forward, practice patience. Success is a gradual process, and it's important to enjoy the journey rather than fixate on the outcome. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals, even if it doesn't always feel that way. Trust that the work you're doing today is planting seeds for the future. Stay consistent, stay positive, and most of all, stay kind to yourself. The success you seek is already on its way. Before you go, I want to remind you of one important thing. You have the power to create the life you desire. The steps you take today will shape your tomorrow. If you found value in these words and feel inspired to take action, I encourage you to stay connected. There are so many more insights to share with you, and I'd love for you to be part of this ongoing journey towards success. First, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps to spread these positive messages, and it's a simple way to show that this content resonates with you. Second, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll ensure that you never miss out on future videos filled with practical advice and powerful affirmations that can truly make a difference in your life. It's one of the easiest ways to stay connected to the inspiration you need. Third, if you found something in this video that spoke to you personally, share it with someone else. We all know someone who could use a little more positivity in their life, and sharing this video might be the spark they need to start their own transformation. Fourth, after subscribing, be sure to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know when new content is posted. It's a simple way to stay engaged and make sure you're always receiving the tools and insights that can help you on your path. And finally, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what resonated with you most in this video. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it with someone who could use some positivity. Let's continue to uplift each other and create the success we all deserve. You are capable of so much more than you realize, and I'm excited to see the incredible things you will achieve.